Guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add songs or music to CapCut PC. So in here what you need to do is head to the media tab, not audio, but click on the media, and under the local tab you'll find there's an import button, so click on that. Then in here what you need to do is just select or choose the music or songs that you want to add to the CapCut PC. So for example, I want to add this one. Click on the file, then click on open. Okay. As you can see here, the music or songs will be imported to CapCut, and to add it to the track in here, you can just click on the plus icon. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye!